This video completely changes the entire narrative created by Benjamin Netanyahu about the Palestinians. First, take a look at this.
So the Jews are here to try to say that they weren't here and that the Palestinians were here thousands of years ago is ridiculous. So as far as reinventing ancient history, that is unpardonable, because anybody can find out and understand that the Jews were here for thousands of years, the Palestinians weren't here. Anybody who you can actually Google this and find out how absurd this thing is.
Well, Mr. Netanyahu, I followed your advice and Googled it. And here is what I found. In the past 9 years, 12 scientific studies on the genetics of Palestinians have been conducted. And guess what the result was? Surprise! First, these studies showed that up to 80% of the autosomal genome of modern Palestinians comes from the Natufian people who lived in the Levant between approximately 12,500 and 9,500 BCE. Second, they revealed a close genetic similarity between Palestinians and the genomes of Bronze Age Canaanites, confirming direct genetic continuity between Palestinians and the ancient civilizations that once lived in this region. Third, archaeological excavations in the Judean Hills, Galilee, and coastal plains show an uninterrupted sequence of cultural layers, from Natufians to Neolithic farmers to Canaanites, then to the Israelite and Judean kingdoms, followed by Romans, Byzantines, Arabs, and so on into the present day. No gaps in the settlement of this territory were recorded. In short, all the research confirms that modern Palestinians are direct descendants of the indigenous people of the Levant, the very same people who have lived on this land, which is now Israel and Palestine, continuously for more than 14,000 years. Archaeology confirms the uninterrupted presence on this land of the same populations from whom modern Palestinians descend. Conclusion: modern Palestinians are the indigenous people and direct descendants of the original inhabitants of the land of Israel and Palestine with deep historical roots. This is a fact scientifically confirmed by both genetics and archaeology. Mr. Netanyahu, welcome to the true reality. All this data is publicly available, so instead of reinventing the history, you can actually Google it. By the way, ChatGPT also fully verifies this. And for everyone else, please spread and share this information so that as many people as possible can learn the truth. All relevant links are in the video description.